home bakers, I have created these crumbly oat cookie bars with fruity chia strawberry jam. They are a great breakfast bar for on the go, refined sugar-free and gluten-free. Let's go ahead and start with the chia strawberry jam. Add 300 grams of frozen strawberries and agave nectar into a saucepan on medium heat. I use frozen berries as it is more economical than using fresh strawberries. Heat for 4 to 5 minutes until the juices have been released. Then add 2 tablespoons chia seeds and cook for another 5 minutes until thickened. If you want a smooth jam, blend in a food processor. Place in a jar and chill in the fridge. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Now the crumble cookie dough. Place all dry ingredients in the bowl and mix well together. In a separate bowl, add the peanut butter and coconut oil and mix until combined. Add a large egg and whisk again. Add this to the dry ingredients and mix well until the cookie mixture comes together. Now weigh the dough into thirds. You want to put 2/3 of dough as the base for the cookie. Press firmly. Bake in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until just golden brown, just like this. Now spread your chia jam over the entire cookie base. Add 1/3 left of the cookie crumble. You could add chopped strawberries at this point if you'd like a chunkier crumble cookie. Place back into the oven for another 15 minutes and the bars are done. Allow it to cool completely on the tray. Now we can cut these slices up into bars. These are very delicious on their own as a breakfast bar, or you could crumble them into some yogurt like a granola. I hope you enjoy making these recipe. The full recipe link is in the comments below as always. Just a reminder, my gourmet cookie recipe book will be released soon. I'm really excited as it is my first ebook and will be available on the Cookin' and Crumb website.